Finally getting back to the Harley-Davidson Fire Ready Build bike. If you don't know which one I'm talking about, go to the playlist and you'll see. I need the looking for the brake line that goes from the master cylinder back to the rear caliper. I've done a lot to this bike. I've rebuilt the engine, put new crank bearings in it, rod bearings, put a top end on it. I put a new, not new, but very low mile jugs and heads on it. Fuel injection. The front forks are actually, they were 6 over. They were off of another bike that I had purchased them for. They're 6 over stock. 20, I believe it's a 21-inch front wheel. Yeah, 21-inch front wheel. Tire needs replaced. Here's the front fender. I actually need to get the adapters to adapt my fender to fit or make some. Try not to let that fall. Voltage regulator. Here's the other side. I got the outer primary cover. Still need to get the gasket, torque all this stuff down. Got the primary chain. Primary belt. I need to find a seat. I was hoping to use this seat, but it's too far gone. I need a few things. Need to get this the gasket for this. I gotta adjust the chain still. Need the linkage for the forward control. For the foot controls. It's got a lot of chips in it. Tighten a bunch of stuff down. Make sure the belt's straight. Got a lot of chips from sitting. But brake caliper. I got brand new brakes for the front, the rear. I need to get front brake line. Need to get fork lock. I need to get lots of parts. The oil lines. I need to find out what seals go on them, so I can get the seals in place for those. Got to get a new gas regulator, fuel regulator for it. I can have, it's just a lot of parts. I've had a few people ask me where this bike is. No, I have not gotten rid of it. I'm getting back to working on it. This bike takes money to build. I do have a secret little build, another secret little couple little builds that I'm going to be doing. So I'd like to get this one wrapped up, or at least up off the table, so I can get to, or I'm going to have to build me another table. Here's a kickstand. Build me another table so I can have another project on it. There's just a lot of different things that I'm doing. I got the primary on. I just got to tighten bolts down. Got lots of stuff to do to this bike, but a lot's been done. I pulled the engine completely apart, rebuilt it bottom up, put new bearings in it, had things checked, took the transmission apart. I rebuilt it, sandblasted, powder coated the frame, or sandblasted and painted the frame, excuse me. Did a lot of cool things to it. This bike's got a lot in work still. but it's getting there. It'll get done hopefully sooner than later, because I got another little project that I have. I got all the wiring. I gotta get handlebars or build. I'm looking for a set of drag bars or I'll build me a set of pullback drag bars for it. But this is just a short clip of the Harley-Davidson fire rebuild bike. I'll get back with you guys when I get a little bit done. Probably ain't gonna be much. I got a lot though to do. I'm gonna see if I have a primary gasket on another object I have. Another Harley engine I have sitting here. I'm gonna see if I have any other parts that I could snag from it to put on this one, so I can button up this side. But thanks for watching this piece of this. I will get back with you as soon as I get some more done. Haven't done much to the fire bike. Well, maybe not by video. I'm getting things done. I got the starter torqued to spec. Got the brake pads put on, front and rear brake pads. Got the inner primary torque to spec, compensator torque to spec, primary chain adjusted, clutch basket torque to spec. Still got to put oil in it. That's the only reason why the rags are in there. The outer primary cover is torque to spec. I bought the primary cover from a friend of mine. The bike had a little bit of road rash at the bottom of it, which I'm not worried about it. Still looking for the shifting linkage. Shifting linkage, I got to figure out how I can get, if I'm going to make brackets, or if I'm going to try to find brackets for the front fender. Sorry about that. For the front fender. Oil lines, I got to figure out what actually holds them. What actually, if it's a seal or what, so I can lock them into place, so I can get the exhaust on. I think I'm going to have the exhaust powder coated if somebody knows somebody that ain't going to charge me an arm and a leg to do it. I'm doing this on a budget, so I might end up trying to figure out how I can powder coat it myself. Powder coat them myself. But this is just an update on the Harley-Davidson fire bike. If you would like to donate, please let me know. I do have a few parts that I would be willing to depart with from this bike. I think I have the jugs that are melted. They're no good. Got the primary cover that I'd part with, that I could give you instead of you just donating money for no cause, so you get something out of it. If you'd like to do that, please let me know. It keeps this build back going. I would like to have this bike done by summertime, well, before summertime, so I can start on another project. But this bike is in the works. But if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Please, please, please like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day or good evening.